like I said, I know between now and Christmas, I'm going to do like, I need my back porch pressure wash because my family comes over, and then my vinyl fence. So.
Okay. Let me get you a card.
Yes, sir. Thank you. What's your name?
My name's Dustin.
Dustin.
This is the meter that we usually fill up with. That'll tell you how much you've put in there from here. And that's the big tank right there. And then it fills up. Waiting on it to get like probably about right here. Take this out like that. Try not to drip. I already put the cone out, but everything else I still gotta do. So we have a house wash today. We're doing those gutters. I don't know if you can see, but they're pretty bad. And then we're doing that roof right there as well, which is also pretty bad. So I'm gonna run the hoses. Start with the water hose first. And then we'll do the other hoses. These two gutters are real bad. Look at this growing on there. Y'all can see that. Boom. Now let's get the ladder set up. Whew, these gutters are bad. I cleaned these gutters last year too. That's crazy how there's not even like trees above them. Okay. I'm about to fire this up, so it's probably about to get loud. Here we go. This down. Look at that. Look how dirty I am already. Nasty. Tip for now. I'm just trying to get chemical in the line here. Just kind of letting it drizzle its way down. Let the chemical do the work. And I'm gonna want to not do here. See that. Just kind of trying to let it work its way down the roof. Let the chemical do all the work. No pressure needed. This process is called soft washing. Look at that. I'll get these photos. Working it. And see, it's just dripping down. We're gonna let it just do its thing in a second here. And get all this wet, anything a little cotton. Hit with any bleach. And then rinse it down. You can never over rinse. Let's take one of those. Boom. Y'all can see. Watch it go. See, I could have a little bit more soap because there should be some more cling to that than there is. Photo now. This side looks good. Oh, y'all can see it too. Boom. Here, I need to touch up that spot there and that spot there. It's probably what, my 5th time moving it. We're pretty much done with it now though. Hey, sorry.
Is this card? Because at
Yeah.
some point, like I said, I know between now and Christmas, I'm going to do like, I need my back porch pressure wash because my family comes over, and then my vinyl fence. So.
Okay. Let me get you a card.
Yes, sir. Thank you. What's your name?
My name's Dustin.
Dustin.
Nice to meet you.
Well, hello.
Yeah.
I just saw it when you turned around. So
I have a YouTube channel.
Oh.
So I'm.
But you got nothing on.
What is it? Oh, are you talking about the guy that goes and does it for free?
No. He's the #1. What is his name? Because he's been doing he's doing a celebrity show. And it's what is his name?
I'm not sure.
Okay, that's
show me.
No. I just gotta. Oh, Mr. Beast.
Oh yeah.
He's the #1.
Yeah.
Get out of here.
Why would you say that?
Women.
Yeah, give me a call or shoot me a text.
I will.
Yes, sir. Take it easy. If I ever build a trailer again, I'm getting electric hose reels. Reeling up these hoses after working in bleach all day. It's just so tough. Whew, sorry y'all, out of breath. You don't realize how out of breath you are until you stop for a second. And you're like, holy shit. I was working. I didn't feel like I was doing nothing. But I carried that ladder about 5-6 times around the house. And this in there. Just check this out. Same with this. Locked. Let's rinse this. Put the ladder away, wash my hands, and we get out of here. And I already got the photos. I just need to wash my hands. Just wash my hands and we are out of here. I appreciate everybody watching the channel and supporting and all that. I'm trying to get better at just explaining the process as I go. If anybody has any like questions, feel free to put them in the chat, or if you want to see a certain type of video or service or whatever, let me know. All right, y'all. Appreciate everybody watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and catch me on my next job. Peace.